This lesson is on using the paintbrush. So this is how the brush works. The icon is here for the brush. Click it. This is the brush size. On your keyboard next to the P key are two bracket keys. The right bracket makes the brush bigger. The left bracket, if you click it a few times, makes the brush smaller. If you hold the shift key and do the left bracket, it makes the brush soft. Another way to look at this is right over here under the letters BRU for brush. Size, hardness, hard brush, soft brush. Okay, so click it to hold it. Soft brush, hard brush. To pick and choose colors, right here is the color picker. Double click it and color picker comes up. You have preset colors here. Click OK. Or you can move this any place and move this slider down here any place and choose your own color. Okay, entirely up to you. So the brush is here, brush tool, brush controls are here, mostly size and hardness,